Hello, very good evening, my dear students and dear viewers. Today I'm going to teach you the topic conjunctions in the continuation of part of speeches. A few days back, I covered the topic preposition, and the next topic is conjunctions because it is in your syllabus also. This is the next topic in many classes. So that's why I decided it is good idea to provide a video for you all, because some students are in the habit to study the topic well in advance, right? So definitely it will help them. So without further ado, let's start the topic. So here, conjunctions. Conjunctions are used to join words, phrases and clauses, okay? You have to keep it in your mind that conjunctions are also called as connecting words. And what exactly they connect, what exactly they join? They can join words, phrases, clauses. Words, in words we are talking about, it can be coffee and tea, milk and butter, books and copies, likewise. Next is phrases, okay? They are talking about phrases. Phrases are the group of words which does not make sense, right? So that always comes in the category of short or 2-3, it's a group of 2-3 words and it is called as the phrase, and they never make any sense, right? Clauses are the bigger than the phrases, and in the case of clauses, right? In the case of clauses, there is a possibility they can make the sense and they cannot, right? But clauses can be in one sentence and one part will be the independent and another part can be dependent, okay? So if one part is independent, it means that will make sense. Another part which is called as dependent, or which can also called as subordinate clause, so that will be dependent on that first clause, right? That main clause, okay? So you need to understand phrases and clauses. Somewhere they are a bit similar as per a dependent clause we are talking about, then it can be called as similar to the phrases, okay? But because they are the part of a sentence and they are together and they are dependent on each other, and that's why they are different from the phrases, right? So you need to understand this thing, that these are the smaller words. Phrases are a small group of words that never make any sense, and clauses are the group of words which can make sense and which cannot. It can be dependent on the other part of the sentence, right? So that's why clauses can be divided into main clause and subordinate clause. Main clause and subordinate clause also called as independent clause and dependent clause, right? So though you need to understand these words, phrases and clauses, only on the basis of that you can do this particular chapter, conjunctions. So that's why it is a better idea. Your concept should be very clear regarding phrases and clauses, right? So before studying conjunctions, please, it is my humble request to just go through phrases and clauses first, right? Next is kinds of conjunctions, right? We can divide conjunctions into 3 parts. First one is coordinating conjunctions, second one is subordinating conjunction, and the third one is correlative conjunctions, right? In coordinating conjunctions, what we need to keep it in our mind, they can join. What they join? They join together 2 statements or 2 clauses of equal ranks, right? It can be, okay? So it can be 2 words also. As I told you that tea and coffee, I like tea and coffee, okay? So both tea and coffee are of equal ranks, equal importance, right? So let's take the example. I could not attend the wedding for I had a fever, right? You need to keep it in mind that if you are studying coordinating conjunction, then there is a code. These particular connecting words can be only used in coordinating, and for that there is a proper code made. Now these things are available in books also, these codes are, okay? And that code is fanboys, FANBOYS, okay? F stands for A stands for and N stands for nor, B stands for but, O stands for or, Y yet, and S stands for so. Okay. So apart from these fanboys, no other connecting word will come in this category. Okay. So this is a better idea to learn fanboys, and what are the words refer this, you should recall: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. If these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? These 8 are there, then definitely it will be what? Coordinating conjunction, right? Sorry, 7. 7 alphabets are there, fanboys, right? FANBOYS, right? So fanboys are the 7 alphabets. You need to keep it in mind. F stands for, A stands for, and N stands for nor, B stands for but, O stands for or, Y stands for yet, and S stands for so, right? So you need to keep it in your mind this. And after that, let's switch to the subordinating and the examples. As I told you, I could not attend a wedding for I had fever. So here 2 main clauses are there. I could not attend the wedding. It is also making sense. I had a fever. It is also making sense. And this is connected with the help of for. So that's why this will come in the coordinating conjunction, right? Another example we could see, she did not smile nor she speak to the class, right? So here, not smile, did not smile, as well as did not speak to the class. Both are the similar values, similar importance, right? Both are completing its sense. So that's why they are connecting with the not, right? Another one is do the chores of the house or clean your room. Okay. So in that sense, do the household chores or clean the room. Both are making sense, right? So that's why they are coming. Let's switch to the next, subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions, they join one independent clause with a dependent clause. Means in subordinating, and that's why its name is also subordinating conjunctions, right? Because they are connected in this type of sentence. Definitely you will get one of one of the part of the sentence will be subordinating clause, right? And that's why its name represents subordinating conjunctions, right? So, and this is the only conjunction, right? In this conjunction also you will get 2 main clauses, and in correlative conjunction you also get 2 main clauses, but this is the only conjunction where you will get one main clause and one subordinate clause, right? Either you can say one independent clause and another one dependent clause, right? And how they will be connected with the sentence, connected in the sentence: after, as, although, as, since, as soon as, unless, if, and many more, right? So you need to keep it in your mind that these particular will be in the big list, and it can be always identified as a single. If you learn fanboys, and apart from that, you need to identify that these will be in the correlative, you will always get in the pairs. So these will be always in the single word, and one part will be main clause, one part will be subordinate clause, one part will be complete sense, one part will not complete the sense. It will be totally dependent on the previous part of the sentence. One thing also you need to keep it in your mind, that if the main clause is always come at the first beginning of the sentence, and at the next part will be connected with these connecting words, these conjunctions, right? After, as, though, although, as soon as, unless, if, and blah blah blah, right? So next is correlative conjunction. Next type is correlative conjunction. As its name refers, it's correlate with, right? So correlative conjunctions also connects to main clause, but they will be always look in the sentence together, either or, neither nor, not only, but, both, and, although, yeah. Okay, so you can take the example: I want to travel to either Manali or Ladakh, right? Now Manali is also having equal importance, and Ladakh is also equal importance. So that's why they are saying either Manali or Ladakh, right? not only her dress, but also her jewelry is extraordinary, right? So they are talking two values, giving two values about somebody's dress as well as jewelry, right? They are giving importance to both the things, right? So that way, you need to keep it in mind that they will always, these type of conjunctions will always visible in pairs, either or, neither, nor, not only, but, both, and these will be in that form, right? So I hope you people must have understood that what are the subordinating, coordinating, subordinating, and correlative conjunctions. Your concept will be more clear at the moment you will just refer your own textbook. So open it, read the definition, and check the types how it is given. In some books it is just given in a flow chart. In some books it is given in a table form and separately given in three different blocks. So it depends how it is given in your represented in your particular textbook. So refer your book, and side by side you may watch this particular video. Definitely it will be a great help to comprehend this particular topic, and I hope you will enjoy and understand and comprehend the topic well. So thank you everyone. Keep watching, keep learning, keep growing. All the very best for your exam. Thank you. Loads of love and blessings. Thank you.